Today, I'll walk you through how to enable or disable automatic downloads in Microsoft Edge, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage download settings so you can have better control over your files. Let's dive in. First, open Microsoft Edge. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. You'll see a three-dot menu. Click on it. This menu is like the control center of your browser, giving you access to all the settings you might need. Zoom in. After clicking the menu, a drop-down will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where all the magic happens, where you can customize your browsing experience to suit your needs. Scene chain. Now look to the left sidebar and find the Downloads section. Click on it. This section is your go-to place for managing how and where your files are downloaded. Highlight. In the Downloads section, you'll see an option labeled Ask where to save each file before downloading. This setting is crucial for controlling your download behavior. When this option is enabled, Microsoft Edge will prompt you to choose a location for each file before downloading it. It's like having a personal assistant asking you where to put each new file. On the other hand, if this setting is disabled, Edge will automatically save your files to the default download location without asking. This is perfect if you prefer a hands-off approach and want your downloads to be as seamless as possible. Choose the option that best fits your preference. Remember, you can always come back and change this setting if your needs change. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. And that's how to manage automatic download behavior in Microsoft Edge. By adjusting this simple setting, you can ensure your downloads are handled exactly how you want them to be. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.